There are plenty of good reasons why video conferencing has traditionally been avoided for workshops, ideation or brainstorming sessions and training programs. But as we know, creativity loves a constraint, and the constraints of the COVID-19 crisis have driven some really exciting new capabilities here at Orange Squid.
We're now utilising some amazing studio technology so that we can deliver online sessions which are dynamic, interactive and super engaging for participants. We've now run strategy development workshops with exec teams, ideation workshops with up to 50 participants, interactive training programs and even a facilitated board meeting, all through the use of technology which creates an entirely different experience for participants.
The days of watching boring webinars where you stare at slides on a screen with a tiny box in the corner showing the presenter in his kitchen while the dog barks in the background are behind us. You don't need to have your iPad on Netflix just to keep you awake while your next boring training session is being run over Zoom.
Thanks to great technology and some pretty engaging presenters, even if we do say so ourselves, we can deliver your next interactive, dynamic and engaging session entirely digitally.
We look forward to seeing you on our enormous participant screen soon.